this is my March latest in beauty box. Wow, that opened really easily. And yeah, we are going to get in here to see what my choices have been this month. Right, so they have changed the box, haven't they? I forgot about that. With the latest in beauty, you can choose 6 products per month. Oh, it's opened very easily indeed. And yeah, you can go on their website and you choose from the list that they have. I actually can't remember what I have chosen in here, so it's going to be a surprise for the both of us. Yeah, so this costs $14.95 per month. It's $3.95 postage. After is it 3 months? I'm sure after 3 months of ordering, the postage drops off and it becomes free. But I have a link. I'll pop it down below in the information box and the comment box. If you click that, I'm sure you get 20% off your first box. But click it to double check. But yes, this is inside. I'm going to move everything up just so we can have a quick sneaky peek. There you go. There is a sneak peek for you. So yes, I'm going to start digging through here. But before I do, if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. First product that I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand Woo Woo, and it is Tame It hair removal for super smooth results with jojoba and aloe vera. It's in shower use, intimate use, vegan and naturally sourced. For soft smooth skin in 3 to 6 minutes, follow the simple steps. So evenly apply the cream to dry skin before showering. Don't rub it in, and make sure that the hair that you want to remove is completely covered. Wash the cream off your hands. Wait 1 minute before stepping into the shower. Shower as you would, but for the first 2 minutes, avoid putting the cream directly in the stream of the shower. It's normal for the bit of the cream to wash off. After 2 minutes, use a sponge, a cloth, a loofah, gently remove a small test area of cream. If hair comes away easily, massage in a firm circular motion to remove the rest of the product. If your hair is more stubborn, leave for another 3 or more minutes. Okay, definitely interesting. I definitely want to get into trying different hair removals because, well, I'm a hairy beast. There's no other way of getting around it. I am one hairy lady. So yeah, we get a tube of the stuff there, and then we get a little applicator. Okay. Yeah, definitely excited to try that out. The second product that I've chosen is this. Very pretty packaging. I like the baby pink and the white, really nice. This is by the brand Pacifica, and this is vegan collagen overnight recovery cream. Vegan collagen, antioxidants, flower extracts, vitamin C and E. I love vitamin C as an ingredient for skincare. Really good for pigmentation, which is something I definitely have. So it just says best use on clean skin, apply before bedtime, do not rinse. And obviously do a patch test if you know to be sensitive to anything. Yeah, I love collagen. It is sealed. I'm definitely going to leave that sealed. The third item that I've chosen is this. So this is by the brand Happy Skin. And this is retinol serum. There's 30 mils that you get in here. I love a bit of retinol. You've got to be really careful using it though, so yeah, do be careful. It just says, for the best use, apply 1 full pump to the palm of the hand and apply to the face. Avoid contact with the eye area or sensitive skin areas. Always apply SPF if using this serum frequently. It's cruelty free, it's gluten free, it's vegan friendly, it's made in the UK. I do love a good serum, especially when it's retinol. Ooh, I like the packaging, very nice. Should I? I really shouldn't. No, I'm going to leave it sealed. Although I really no, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna leave that sealed because I can't open all my skincare because it's just all gonna go off. But yeah, who else loves a bit of retinol? Fourth product I have chosen is this. So this is by Revolution Skin, and it is 15% vitamin C powder serum. It says brighten, so I really want it to brighten. Fresh and potent dose. Let's have a look. And it just says here, absorbic acid is pure vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that can even and brighten the skin, which is what we are after, or what I'm after in any way. I've never tried any of the Revolution skincare, actually. Ooh, we get to be little chemists. Ooh. Do we mixy and then be proper chemists? Yes, I am really sad, but things like this excite me, yay. I will read up on that and see what is what, but that really looks interesting. That's got me really excited. Fifth and sixth product is by exactly the same brand, Revolution Skin. We'll go with this one first, so there it is. I love the packaging, very nice. This is collagen boosting serum restore with vegan collagen, olive stem cells and tremella mushroom. I have said that wrong, I do apologize. It firms and it plumps. I want this firmed and I want it plumped. Just this, just look 16 again would be fantastic. Although I definitely would be expecting miracles at this point, but you know. Yeah, I think I've got a thing for collagen this month. I really have. I've picked up lots of collagen products, but this is what it looks like. Reminds me of the ordinary packaging. The sixth one I've chosen is this. So this is collagen boosting moisturizer, again restore, with vegan collagen, olive stem cells and tremella mushroom to protect and mimic collagen. I told you I went overboard on collagen, but hey, I need all the collagen that I can get. Like seriously, feeling mega old, lots of wrinkles, oh my god. Let's have a look. Carefully designed from plant extracts to mimic the amino acid profile of collagen, this powerful moisturizer helps to keep the skin looking hydrated and youthful. Yes, please. Let's have a little look at what it looks like. Ooh, we got a big boy here. Okay, and that is what that looks like. I really like that packaging, very nice. Again, I'm going to leave that sealed because I'm probably going to use all of this stuff together as a little skincare set. But yeah, I have not tried any of the Revolution skincare, and now I've got 3 products that I can try, so really happy with that. Right guys, so this is my choices for the March box for Latest in Beauty. What do you think? Personally, I love my choices. Which I kind of have to because I chose them. But yeah, no, I am really happy with my choices. Really excited to try that hair removal cream. As I say, yes, I know I've got lots of collagen products, but I don't mind it all. Like I say, I like my products with collagen in, and I have a few products there with vitamin C in as well, which again, I love vitamin C. But yeah, really happy. What were your choices in the month of March? Did you get anything the same as me, or did you get totally different? Comment down below and we'll have a little chat about it. I've just popped on the website actually just to see what was on there, and they've got lots of new products on that I really like the look of, and I can guarantee the time it comes to my time to pick the products, I bet you the good stuff's going to be gone. But we shall see. But yeah, basically that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.